I'm here to talk about fused glass. So I'm just giving a very brief synopsis of a very complicated medium. Fused glass is different than hot glass. Hot glass is blown glass that's blown in a kiln at 2400 degrees. And fused glass, which is like warm glass, is baked in a kiln at 1400 degrees. So it's a lot different, and because it's cooler, the compositions of art inside the glass stay intact versus blowing glass, which is it's so molten you can't have necessarily the imagery you get with fused glass. So what's great about glass itself is that it's in our everyday lives. We use it all the time, and it's ancient. At the same time, it's contemporary. It's beautiful, at the same time functional. It's also a difficult medium to work in because you have to understand a little bit of chemistry and a little bit of physics. The glass is temperamental, and if you want it to succeed while being in the kiln for the 24 hours or 48 hours or how many hours you have it in, depending on the amount of layers you put in there, if you want it to be successful, you have to understand the science. But one of the things to consider if you're diving into glass is materials. You have to know which glass to choose to fuse, which tools you'll need to do it with. If you are going to hang the glass on the wall, how will the attachments work to the wall? One of the other things to consider is, I think that glass is very magical. There's something that happens with all the shapes and forms and colors in the kiln when they become one piece. See, there's hundreds of pieces in each piece of mine that work together, and when they heat and become one, yeah, it's magic. One of my clients recently said what she loves about my glass in her house is that it feels like the glass is dancing. So it gives a good energy to her space. I loved hearing that, and I thought I'd pass that on to you.